Alright guys, let's get this party started. Let's get the show on the road. Let's just keep it moving, you know what I mean? You guys are probably wondering, why has she been wearing the same hair and the same makeup for like the past, I don't know, 2-3 videos? It's because I'm pre-filming. I'm filming all of this for you guys, okay? I thought it'd be perfect for me to just share random stuff about me with you guys, you know? I have my coffee here, which I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this in the past, what, 3 videos, but I'm still drinking the same one. A little update, it still hasn't given me the jitters, so that's probably gonna be a pass. I don't know, it kind of tastes good, iced, but it just doesn't make me feel how I want to feel, you know? Anyways guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 50 random facts about me. I do have this video already up on my channel, but I did it like 2-3 years ago, so I'm pretty sure you guys want to see or hear a much more updated version of that video, so I thought it'd be nice to kind of go over some random facts to let you guys know a little bit more tea. But before we get started, if you're not yet a part of our Tea Squad family, please subscribe in the subscribe button down below and also turn on that post notification bell. Comment down below #notification gang and leave me a cute little fun fact about you as well. If you want to get a little shout out in my next video, and do that. And also follow me on social media, Snapchat and Instagram, because when I'm not here I'm most likely over there, so go follow me there. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. With no further ado, let's jump into the video. Fact number 1 is I am Sagittarius. I love the zodiac situation. I love zodiacs. I'm into zodiacs. I always want to know what people are, like what zodiac you are, so let me know in the comment section down below what zodiac sign are you. But I am a Sagittarius. I am a fire sign. I am very optimistic, very outgoing person. I am also a little bit bipolar, but you will always have fun with me. That's a fact. Fact number 2, I am 25 years old. Even though I look like 16, I am actually 25. How old are you? Let me know down below. Fact number 3, my parents are from Mexico. My dad is from Jalisco and my mother is from Sonora. Fact number 4 was, I was born in LA. Shout out to LA. I do not want to go live there though. It's just hella expensive. I'm a Vegas girl. Like, I was literally like raised half of my life here, so I'm a Vegas girl. Fact number 5, I've never broken a bone. I do not want to jinx that. I do not want to break a bone, but I have never broken a bone, thank God. Fact number 6, what? Fact number 6 is I hate showering. I mean, hello. I shower because I have to. I cannot be stinky all around, but I hate shower. I just hate to shower. Like, is that so bad to say? I just hate showers. I just do. Fact number 7 is I love and I am obsessed with garlic and onions. I can literally like grab an onion and like bite it. Delicious. Fact number 8 is I have lip fillers. It's been like a year and a couple of months, but I do have lip filler on my lips. Fact number 9, my favorite color is black, but my favorite color for cars is orange, metallic orange. My dream car will one day be metallic orange. Fact number 10, my dream car is a BMW i8. I love sports cars. I am super into sports cars. I am a sports car girl. I am not girly at all. That is my dream car. I want to speak that into existence because I will one day have that car. Okay. Fact number 11 is I am 5'4". My favorite music is banda and reggaeton. Banda is like my first favorite genre. I am a banda girl. I'm actually pretty paisa, even though I look kind of fresa, you know what I mean? Number 13 is I am obsessed with platform heels. You know, the super tall platform heels. Those are probably the only heels I can walk in, and my friends think I'm crazy because they cannot walk in heels, or at least like some of my friends can't walk in those heels because they're just so gigantic and enormous. I love those heels. Those are like the easiest heels to walk in my opinion. 14, my favorite pair of sneakers is Chucks. I don't like Vans. I don't like Nikes. I don't like Adidas. I am a Chuck person. You know what I mean? Chucks for life. Fact number 15 is I am allergic to pineapple. Do not give me pineapple if you do not want me to die. Okay? Number 17 is I do not know how to swim. So if you also want to kill me, drown me, because I do not know how to swim. I will not survive. Number 19 is I hate reptiles. I hate rats. I hate animals. I hate any type of animal. I hate big dogs. I am afraid. I do not like them. I can't. You know, I cannot do animals. I like little dogs or like medium-sized dogs. The dogs that are just like not gonna like bark at me or bite me. You know what I mean? Fact number 20 is my all-time favorite hobby. The thing that I love to do the most is cook. Before makeup, I love to cook. Like cooking is my jam. Me and my kitchen, we vibe. Let me know in the comment section down below if you love to cook. I love to cook. The kitchen and me cook like food, not bake. I do not like bake. I do not fuck with baking. I cannot bake a cake, for God's sake. I cannot do cupcakes. I cannot do anything that has to do with baking. But cooking, on the other hand, I am a badass in the kitchen. Number 21 is, hello, obvious. I am always on a bun, like always, literally all the time. You will never see me with like curly hair or like, no. When you guys see me with straight hair, it's either straight or it's either in a bun, but I am always on a bun. I mean, I hate doing my hair. I hate doing my hair. I hate anything that has to do with hair. I'm telling you guys, I am not girly at all. I'm actually pretty tomboyish, or I was very tomboyish before I started YouTube. Fact number 23 is I live in Vegas. Fact number 24 is I am allergic to penicillin. Fact number 25 is I have 3 tattoos. I have a cross on my back. I have a super huge owl on my calf. And I have my hamster hand on my arm. Fact number 26 is I've only had 1 boyfriend in my entire life. I feel like I'm making it seem like I'm so old, but I'm actually not that old. I'm only 25, but I've only had 1 boyfriend and he is now my husband. Fact number 27 is my all-time favorite beauty guru is Jeffree Star. I think he is so down to earth. My dream video collaboration would be with him because he is just so real, so honest. He is just up for the tea, you know what I mean? Like, he ain't got to sugarcoat shit. You know what I mean? I vibe with him on another level. I have actually a couple of like my all-time favorites, but he is like number 1. I love Jaclyn Hill's tutorials. I feel like she is very like teachy, you know what I mean? Like, to us baby gurus, to us baby makeup artists, to us baby makeup lovers, I feel like she's always just teaching us new stuff. I love her. I love Tatela, Makeup by Amory, Juicy Jazz. They do like the best drugstore tutorials ever, so if you're into drugstore, check them out. Tatela, did I say Tatela? I think I did. I love her. Who else? Nicole Girl's vlogs are life. Anyways, I can ramble about beauty gurus. Number 28 is I like my coffee black. It's rare when you'll see me drinking coffee like that. I mean, I kind of stopped, but I feel like my next video is going to be with pure black coffee because I'm still doing a taste test on this coffee, but I really enjoy black coffee. Fact number 29 is I love to watch TV shows, movies, novelas, anything. I love to rewatch them. I don't know why, I'm kind of weird. Fact number 30 is I am addicted to Amazon. If I could buy anything, I would just buy it off of Amazon. I actually order my lashes off of Amazon. I buy my blankets off of Amazon. Any like cooking things that I need off of Amazon. Anything, Amazon. Amazon is life, especially if you have Amazon Prime. 31 is I can crack my hands and my feet out of nowhere. Watch, listen to this. Can you guys hear that? And then I could do my feet too, but you guys can't hear them. Can you guys hear that? I can crack them like non-stop. Jesus thinks I'm weird and he's like, girl, I know what's wrong with you. Whew, I am sweaty. I did put deodorant, but my deodorant smells bomb. I do put deodorant on, but that's actually another fun fact about me, or weird ass fact about me actually. I sweat a lot, like a lot. Like, I've never met a girl as sweaty as me. Let's just say that. Anyways, fact number 32 is I cannot sleep without socks. I cannot sleep without socks, or I cannot sleep with like my blanket like all over me. Like, here in Vegas in the summer, it gets like over 100 degrees and I need to be covered. You know what I mean? 33 is I've eaten ants. Literally ants. Like, this one day I remember I served myself a bowl of cereal and it was like completely smothered in ants, but I didn't realize it had like so many ants because I thought it was a cereal and it was kind of dark in my room, so I couldn't see. But when I finished it and when I took it to the kitchen, I saw that it was completely full of ants. It was probably like 95% ants and then the rest was cereal. Yeah, I probably pooped them, I don't know. Fact number 34 is I eat my donuts with water. water is life. That's fact number 35. I do not like soda. I cannot fuck with soda, grape juice, anything like that. I cannot. Water is life. Fact number 36 is when I get drunk, my hands get numb. Anybody else? Fact number 37 is my favorite food is seafood. I can literally eat raw shrimp, like completely raw shrimp. I know you guys are probably thinking, okay, aguachiles. No, I can eat raw shrimp completely. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys have seen me go ham on raw shrimp. Fact number 38 is I suck at saving money. If I have like money on me, I want to spend it like this. Jesus is so good at saving money. I am terrible. Fact number 39 is I am a really very straightforward person. I don't like to sugarcoat anything. I say things how they are. Sometimes I feel like I offend people by the way I talk, or people just take things the wrong way. And I also feel like that's a reason why I don't have so many bebecitas in my life, because I'm just very straightforward, you know, like sometimes I tell you the things that you obviously do not want to hear, but I'm raw like that. Like I'm a very raw person. Number 40 is I hate the color pink. I'm not girly at all, you guys. Like I might look like the most girliest girly ever, but if I could live in sweatpants and like Jesus t-shirts and Chucks, I would. Like that's my life. I'm very folonga, like folonga for life, you know what I mean? In a bun all day, every day. Fact number 41 is I always smell my cups. Anybody else? Like every time I'm gonna like servirme agua or something, like I always have to smell my cups. Fact number 42 is I hate milk. Milk will make me throw up, and I also hate the yolk on an egg. Ugh, just by thinking about it, me dio asco. Like I cannot fuck with like sunny side up eggs, you know, like no eggs. I don't like eggs. I don't like milk. Ugh. Fact number 43 is I've never smoked. I've never smoked weed. I've never smoked a cigar. I've never smoked in general. Fact number 44 is I hate organizing clothes. That is something that I neglect so bad. Like there is a pile of clothes when you enter my room on the right hand side in that chair right there. I will never ever organize that pile of clothes. Like it will stay there. Fact number 45 is I am legit blind. Without my contacts, without my glasses, I cannot see anything. Like when I am taking a shower, I cannot see. Trust me when I tell you that, I cannot see. Fun fact is I actually have a restriction on my license, which I cannot drive at night. Who would do that? Who would do that? Who was the girl in the fucking DMV service place that gave me that restriction? Like y'all bad for that. She bad for that. I hate when people chew with their mouth open. That is something that I hate. Like I do not like hearing like when people go like that. I can watch mukbangs, like I can literally watch mukbangs. I love, you know, but there's just a difference when I'm just like hearing someone like next to me eating and they're like, I cannot do that. 47 is I pretend to be lesbian at the club all of the time. Like if I'm going out with my bebecitas and there's like guys just, you know, like, ¿Tienes novio? Mamacita. Or like, ¿Quieres bailar? Like a guy will not understand the word no. So I gotta be like, you know what, baby boy? I'm actually with my girlfriend, so can you please back off? I actually say it in a nicer way, but I always pretend I'm lesbian. That's like a go-to, and trust me when I tell you, it works more than anything. Fact number 48 is I hate talking on the phone. I do not answer phone calls unless it's Jesus or like my mother-in-law. Yeah, I do not answer the phone calls to my mom, my aunt. If you want to reach me, text me because I will not answer your phone call. Fact number 49 is I hate sweets. I hate like sweet stuff. I'm like more of like a chile and limon kind of person. Like I'm a sour girl, you know what I mean? And fact number 50 is I have so many water bottles on my nightstand. Like I literally collect water bottles. Like right now, if I were just to show you a picture of how many water bottles I have on that nightstand, you guys will freak out. And that was it. Those are all the weird random facts about me. Alright guys, and that concludes today's video. Those were 50 random facts about me. I really hope you guys learned something about me. I really hope you guys get to like vibe with me on another level. I'm all about the energy. I love to know people. So I actually, when I have a favorite YouTuber, I love to watch these videos because you just get to know more about a person, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know a weird a random, a fun fact about you in the comment section down below. I'm actually very curious. Let me know if we have any facts in common. That would also be good. Let me know down below. Go ahead and leave a couple of videos on the screen so you guys can check them out in case you've missed my recent uploads, or if you're curious to see this makeup tutorial, you know what I mean? I also just recently filmed the what's in my work bag, so go check that out. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.